Hello, friends. Yesterday we read from a different big book. This is the front cover, back cover, and the title. The title of this book is Cross-Curricular Science and Social Studies. And this is the spine. Now, just like our Off to School big book, this big book is special because it doesn't just have one story, it has a whole bunch of stories. And when I open it up, I see the title page. That's just to remind you of the title in case you forgot. And when I turn the page again, I see a special place called the Table of Contents. The Table of Contents tells you where to find things. Today, we will be reading our selection from yesterday, Schools Around the World. And when I move my finger across the page, I see that it's going to be on page 4. So I'm going to turn to page 4 and there it is. Schools Around the World. And again, friends, this is the title, author, and illustrator. Remember, the author writes the words and the illustrator draws the pictures in the story, and those pictures are connected to the words on the page. Now, since this is the second time we are reading this selection, we will be doing a close read. That means we'll be taking a closer look at the text. Our focus this time is comparing and contrasting. Good readers compare and contrast unfamiliar thoughts, ideas, or things with familiar or well-known thoughts, ideas, and things. We can use our own experiences and what we already know to help us understand something new. We will also be looking at strategies the author uses so we can learn to be better writers. The text feature we will focus on today is headings. In an informational text, the author uses headings to help present information in an organized way. This is an example of a heading. So is this. Now, headings are usually darker, thicker, and bigger than the other words on the page. Because a heading is used to tell you what everything in a section is all about. So there's another heading. And again, right here. Again, friends, darker, thicker, and bigger than the rest of the words. All right, friends, let's get ready to read our story. Essential question. How are schools different around the world? Schools around the world. Children all over the world go to school. Let's learn about some schools around the world. Japan. My name is Amiko. I live in Japan, where school starts in April. We go to school 5 days a week, nearly all year round. Our language uses pictures as words. We draw and read and learn other skills too. We sometimes use folded paper to learn. Good readers compare information in the text to other information, including their own experiences, to help them understand it better. I see many ways that schools in Japan are like schools here. First, we both learn to read and write, and we both go to school 5 days a week. I can also contrast the information in the text or talk about how schools are different. In Japan, school starts in April, but here, school starts in August. And in Japan, the language uses pictures as words, and we use letters to make words. Ecuador. I am Hector. I live in Ecuador. I am in kindergarten, which we call our first año, or our first year. We wear uniforms. Everyone wears collared shirts. I wear dress pants. My sister wears a skirt and knee socks. At school, we learn to read, write, and count. We go to recess every day. My school has a large roof over our whole playground. Our school year is long, but our school days are short. Soon it is time to go home. Norway. I am Ellen. I am 6 years old and I live in Norway. Our school year lasts from August to June. It takes my brother and me only a few minutes to walk to school. At school, we play games and make friends. We learn how to read, write, add, and subtract. Because I like numbers, math is my favorite subject. Tomorrow is a special day. Ski day. Our teacher gave us a speech reminding us to prepare. Kenya. My name is Abdul and I am 6 years old. I live in Kenya. We go to school 6 days a week from January to November. We learn to read and write. We learn at wooden desks and share our books. We work together to keep our school tidy. Lots of large animals roam nearby. One way authors identify a topic for a section is by writing a heading. Remember, a heading is shown in larger type than the other text on the page. The heading can be one word or a few words. When I read the heading on page 10, for Kenya, I know that all the details on this page will be about schools in Kenya. What other headings did the author use? That's right, friends. Japan, Ecuador, and Norway. Where do you live? Where is your school? Is it the same as the schools in the story? Is it different? One thing is for sure, children learn and play at school. They are a lot like you. I had a lot of fun reading Schools Around the World with you again today. I can't wait to talk more about it in our pods. I'll see you later.